and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the Mahi Mahi fish in Heartopia. You will need to be level 12 of the fishing hobby, and you will find it around the old sea, well, in the old sea. And you will find it when there is a rainbow. I think it's like day and dusk, I believe. And hopefully this is it. The shadow is big, that's what they said, and pretty hard to catch. Okay, it's not it, but it's supposed to be here, so I'm just going to keep on fishing until I find the Mahi Mahi. So the Mahi Mahi shadow is this big shadow, and I finally caught it. It took me quite a while, and I just randomly found it like without using the mermaid tail, and this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!